Wait,
You think she over here by her too?
But he saw us in the water.
Yeah, fine. You see it?
Maybe he never saw us in the water.
Don't touch it.
Remember that she first did in there.
True.
Them could not want them, could have think she in there by herself.
She's not with us, yeah.
We'll get it, Papa.
True.
We'll get it.
I'm in line now. When you say,
You put no uncomfortable question.
what money if you try to buy already? I'm going to say number right now.
No,
Friend
but
said he
from
was drunk,
the friend and the friend I said, no, come, I will not pay him no money because he's drunk.
He just looks so sloppy.
Bread pink or rum.
Mm.
Yeah, wait.
All the place around, enough to try a full conversation with people.
You don't feel even say hi. Not say hi, nothing at all.
Yeah, but most of all, you mustn't talk to strangers.
Yeah, you're fine.
Yeah.
If somebody
I don't
calls your
think
door
she's
and
listening.
say them want, just have manners and say good morning, good evening. That's
Yeah.
it. Nothing else.
I don't think you should be talking to strangers. No strangers.
But we're gonna just start.
The Governor General. The Governor General for I'm Delusional. Yeah, YouTube guys. We're at El Shah. We're eating fish. I've been coming to this lady since 7-8 years now. Festival is so soft. Best festival I ever had is right here. Pauline. If you're not careful, you can eat all 10 of these and don't even realize it. Nice, yeah. Yeah. My type of girl, you like pepper. Yeah. You guys tell her what you want to drink? Look like Pauline is tired. Can of fried fish without the pickle. All the cold gone off my chest. No longer sick. Everything left my body. Nah, yeah, salt water. You have a cold, go in the salt water. When the salt run through your body, you're good. friend is embarrassed for him, man.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Probably no stay my face.
Yeah. The liquor just brought it out of him.
And when you see him old shad and that trigger me so much.
If me never see my shut her back and
Right.
shut my back.
It's a hard one because I can tell maybe she doesn't want to be rude, you know?
Yeah, she has to be tell her good.
Yeah.
No. Tell her when I come to say, well, I'm saying, don't make man like this. Don't make man like that.
Just a learning experience. She will know moving forward. But she's an amazing swimmer, though. You give her swimming lessons? You have her in any type of swimming club or anything like that?
Later we go to dinner.
You should, man. Yeah. Swim for Jamaica. If she's good enough, they'll pay for it.
Stop me, man. There's a road.
Anybody want to sponsor it? Fine. We can't afford it right now.
Stop.
We're doing so much shit. I'm a single mom. We can't afford it.
I understand.
You can miss the go. We clear that over. Don't let that idea. Close your eyes.
That's not bad.
Oh, dear man.
PR 8.
A week. A
Anybody?
week. Yeah, a week. Anybody?
And then she
One
gets
just- one
exposure.
child.
Before you know it, your daughter's in the Olympics and you're saying, whoa.
I go to a pool where we live now. One lady have a big house and one big
You
pool.
have to make him go and can't swim.
And she have like instructors. And then teach kids.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's a swimmer, she's a diver.
Yeah. And she's not afraid.
Yeah.
She's fearless, so it's perfect.
Yeah, I want him boss.
Yeah, I would love to see her on TV say, whoa, I know that young girl. I used to go to the beach with
Is
her.
it a gymnast?
Yeah.
You pull out from it.
Why?
Yeah, get over there.
That's very big money. That's very
It was
bad.
too costly.
Yeah. We're afraid now, sir. Now you entertain him. No, I'm saying we can't go.
Gymnastics is really good.
And can swim, bottom up there.
Yeah, you know how I learned to swim?
Don't give it.
My father just threw me in the water.
Swim like what?
I'll never forget that day.
In June,
Yep.
from a senior
I have to learn to swim, man.
First in same bank, Kingfish and practice in that and then school come. How come when you go where you say you're not about the line of fish?
But I heard he's gonna pay the bill. So I'm saying pay the bill, pay the bill. True, true. Let's tell her what you want. She's in the kitchen.
Yeah, man, I think that's it.
Pauline. Yeah, guys, eat up, eat up.
Okay. Taste it. You should get the dumpling first now.
What do you guys think of the festival? It's pretty good, eh? Yeah. This is a festival.
Good
Where you
party.
going? Sit down. Where you go? No, not do that.
Can't eat fish like Jamaicans. When Jamaican eats fish, then it's eaten. Like, to me, this is eaten, but this is not eaten.
Yeah, eat fish and eat fish.
No, I don't. I can't eat fish.
That's the best part, you know.
You not eat it either?
No, nope.
My grandmother, she eat that first.
Yeah, no. I don't even like when the head is there. I don't like looking at the eyes while I'm trying to eat. Fish is like, you're really gonna eat me, dog? You're really eating me? You know?
You're afraid that you're gonna eat fish.
No, I don't like the eyes looking at me. It's like trippy.
But Papa, leave for me? Yeah, there.
Yeah, guys.
Water cold. Sea water nice.
Warm, yeah. Warm. And December, January, February it's cold.
Yeah, we get cold.
Yeah, man. I come here in the wintertime and the water is cold. But the river water was really cold.
Hello. Who called Pauline?
You want some drinks?
What kind of drink you want?
What do you guys want to drink? What are the options?
That's it.
What do you want to drink? Water, Pepsi water, whatever she's drinking.
Cool water.
Miss Pauline, they like your festival.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Eat nice, man. Well soft and, you know,
Yeah.
oily.
I've been singing about you.
Yeah, something like it.
Tell her it's nice.
Nice.
Yeah, Zayn. Yeah, I saved you, man. I didn't realize you took one. I took one for you. No, I was not even thinking.
But should I give me first? Then we don't probably do it. But if I'm giving the dumpling, I'm not going to. The first one, I'm not going to
All I know is when he didn't see you, he listened to everything I told him to do.
That them say at school too.
As soon as he saw you,
Yeah, man.
he's not listening to nothing.
Right.
You have ice? Yeah, coffee ice on it.
Nah. It's gonna make me cold, you know? No, I'm good. Yeah, guys.
What shall I say?
You have one as well? Tell me your channel.
Your menu is alright, yeah.
Yeah. How many years have been coming here, Miss Polly?
8 years.
8 years. I was telling her I used to bring a busload of people here.
Why when they come and put on a shop? Must be 100 somebody.
Yeah, I used to rent 2 buses, but
Yeah.
I don't even know half. Maybe I know maybe 10 people on the bus. The rest of the bus, I don't know who they are.
Come on, let's see what's up.
Yeah.
They just jump on and say, Elsa.
What?
Yeah, my bill is all 80, 90 grand.
Sorry.
Them times the party in store.
She's okay. She's just holding on her head. She's okay.
Zane's a good boy. You're a caring boy. You guys don't want to eat anymore? Eat some more festival? She's very adventurous. I like that. Very adventurous, you know? You should get her in something. Whether it's gymnastics or... Yeah. You gotta nurture her gift.
No, club free. You never have to pay for club?
No. She has athletic abilities.
Club. Like brownie.
Drama is not gonna...
Adventures.
No club. Oh,
So,
God.
sorry, what kind of club there is?
Yeah. No, man, she is an athletic. This could be the next Shelly Fraser, man. Track and field. She have the body. She have... So why you don't nurture that? You just leave that like you don't nurture it. Nothing can be more important than her future, bro. Because if she make it, you make it. So she could be your ticket to the next level. You don't look at it like that. Look at LeBron James' father. He wished he was in LeBron James' life. No, I'm not talking about material stuff. What I'm telling her to get her into is like life-changing activities where it can help her to mold her future. Clothes and shoes, whatever, you know. Yeah, whether it's gymnastic, yeah, something to push her athletic ability, because she has it. She can swim, she can run, she can jump. Yeah, don't waste it, man. I don't know what else to do with this fish. Yeah, and she's brave. She's not afraid. There's a YMCA there's a YMCA right on my street there. What's that street called? Close to the Popeyes and the Krispy Kreme. Yeah, close to Devon House. Yeah, there's a YMCA there. Why you don't even go there with her? Yeah, you never know. Someone might see her talent and say, you know what? I'm responsible for her. I spend more than that. Find something, and if you're serious about it, I'll give you the first money. I'll pay you to set it up. Whatever that it is you're gonna put her into, I'll pay. And then you just take it from there. How about that? Or running. Yeah. Gymnastics is good. Get her in it, find out about it, and then tell me. Yeah.
You do one sis?
If you know pass the test, I'm saying, boy.
That's in it.
Yeah.
Buy one bicycle gear. You say, man. I'm not the Ricky man.
Oh, Ricky. Huh? Yeah.
Flexibility. Well, 100%. Bars, everything. She was taking it over.
I'm not surprised at what you're telling me.
Expensive, man. And then she had only black people because
It's gonna be like that. Gymnastics is a rich person's sport.
yeah, did a mushroom and all that, and then they changed it and sign her.
So how much are we talking? Like, when you say mash up, what do you
So
think?
she only did 1 day per week.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pay 27
A day? That's not bad.
1 day per week. A 4 day that in a month to go.
That's gymnastics, though. And the connection she would probably make.
It failed. Oh,
Christopher, my daughter, they're gonna make couldn't afford it no more.
Yeah, no, I understand still. If you can't afford it, you can't afford it.
Gymnastic with in a crossword.
Yeah.
The one that's cheaper. I'm gonna get her right now. I'm
It's not good anymore.
The day when
Fair.
she do registration, I'm gonna do 4,000.
Yeah.
I'm gonna ask her for the future and go.
It's not good.
Well, yeah, we're not gonna worry about him still, cause we already know what it is.
You must have up your man and turn it funny picking now. I said some
Yeah.
fathers saying,
And plus, they were young when they conceived the child.
I said some fathers saying, if you're not David, you know I'm any picking. Boy, I mean, I know they do it too.
I know. I'm glad how I am.
Yeah, I'm thinking it.
But why? Why?
You said some bad things about him? You probably said something. Yeah.
You tell me, he hates his fear of that, you know.
Cause
No,
then
but
is
That's the only bad thing ever did.
I have been friending up, you know.
and yeah, probably I say he's a deadbeat.
Yeah. That's what some man saying, that he hates you when you make him friend and you say you do that to him.
But
So
you have,
never
you,
get in a trouble for you?
you have to stand up for your daughter. So what about child
But I
support?
wonder how they never make him, like, start paying-
You don't go
paying
to
money. That
go
must
to
start
court
say,
for
oh,
child
them
support?
never make him start paying money.
Cause she never got to pursue it.
No, once him a soldier, so once him report
No,
them.
you.
Then when you go back here,
Probably should never follow up.
Them know say, nah, man, them job your time pay and give.
Yeah.
did make it look
I know
like
3 people like that.
Eh?
When you find out some good
That's what you say, look.
say, oh, wicked.
Yeah, but you gotta do what's best for your daughter, not what's best for him. Right? She needs her money to form her future. You know what I'm saying?
When I look up that,
Yeah.
I look up things we should go a year place.
Canada? Yeah.
They go over but my buy my chicks.
Forget about that. We're gonna focus on right now. When that comes, it comes. Unless you're planning on her leaving now, then I guess it wouldn't make any sense to get her into anything.
You probably care about.
Help her, man, I want to have, you know.
Yeah.
Jamaica gymnastics are pushing.
You should get her into it, man. And she has all the tools to be successful.
I think for the day when we had the text to her, See, I don't rich one them tell me.
Your kid's probably way better.
Bars, 100.
Yeah.
Goal.
And you know the kids that in the ghetto is always better at sports. Always. For some reason, I don't know what it is. That God always have find a way to even out the playing field. If you have money, you're not gonna be good at nothing.
I know I'm a friend. Must be
Yeah. You guys know one more festival? One more festival?
Probably just watch
Check it
it.
again.
Take it home and you wrap it up. We're not wasting nothing, guys. We had a full bottle of pickle. Almost half the bottle. Nobody ate the tomatoes.
Like overall.
Yeah.
honestly, cook.
Yeah, I can eat this
Chop
side.
up and cook. I can't eat.
Yeah, or if it's minced up meat. That's big like this, no. We'll probably know better, but a regular Jamaican would have devoured this fish head, but as you know, I'm not
But me,
a regular. You wanna try some?
No, me, I'll show you.
There.
Put it down.
Alright, get the meat for me.
See me them then I
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down, Zane.
When I come here with real Jamaicans, when they're done, there's nothing here, just bones, minced bones. They chew up everything.
One picnic, alright.
One alright, but when they don't have no.
Better my fist here.
But we're not gonna do that on YouTube. We don't practice violence.
Yeah, edit out that.
She didn't mean that. I can't edit this. It's going up the way it is. She's just talking. She doesn't mean that.
I joke, man.
She's making a joke. I still love her right now.
Yeah. No. The first.
Yes, Lord, give thanks.
Round two.
Clean the place.
Shadia, you do that?
Then the second discharge was an incomplete abortion. My body.
Who's throwing the sand?
Sardine.
Stop.
My body aborted.
You just cover yourself in sand like that? Leave her.
I'm a tree.
See them?
Oh, I saw you there, girl.
Me.
Finished everything. Alright, guys. Like, subscribe, share. This video is raw, no editing. Just the way you see it is how I'm putting it up. Versace Dada, like and subscribe.
One daughter till now, the daughter know about 20,
uncle's full of peer stories from 1901. Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe with some fat in that.
Me? I'm not fat. What?